Here's how to join Death Train on Discord server. First is on your Discord server on the right, you will see there the plus button. What you need to do is to click on that. After clicking on that, you will be able to see there the join server options. What you need to do is to click on that as well. After clicking the join a server options, you will see there the invite link. Now go ahead and paste on the invite link that you get, and then afterwards click on the join with invite link of the Death Train. Afterwards, you will be able to see there the Death Train. Now what you need to do is to click on the accept invite so that you can be able to see there the server that you have been joined. And then afterwards, you will be able to see there the Death Train option under the servers list on your Discord. Make sure that someone will invite you first on Death Train so that you can go ahead and join their server group.